JC Level 4, Topic Form, Grade 4, Vidura College. At Level 4 stage, there will be two phases. They are topic discussion and conversation. Today we are going to discuss about a prepared topic, my best birthday gift on topic discussion, and a revision on the conversation phase. You have to introduce a topic of your own choice. The examiner directs the discussion using the points prepared by the candidate. Today our topic is my best birthday gift. Now I am going to teach you how to complete the topic form. This is a sample of a topic form of JC Level 4. First you have to fill your details and the title of the topic. Today our topic is my best birthday gift. After that, you have to create 4 discussion points related to your selected topic. If you select my best birthday gift as your topic, you can make the discussion points like this. Who gave the gift and when? What I like about the gift? Differences between my best birthday gift and other gifts I received. What am I going to do with my best birthday gift? Okay, let's go to the first point. In this point, you can tell who gave you that gift and when you got that gift. Then you can give a simple introduction about your best birthday gift. You can express your ideas like this. I had my best birthday celebration last year. I received a beautiful bicycle as my birthday gift with flowers on it. My father gifted it and he gave me a big surprise. He gave me the gift after cutting the cake. I screamed with joy as it was my best birthday gift. Okay, children, let's go to our second point. Our second point is what I like about the gift. Here are some ideas. I like my birthday gift as it is very fashionable. The best thing about my birthday gift is there are lots of colorful flowers on it. My bicycle is bigger than the previous gifts, but I like the way it goes. I always play with my beautiful bicycle during my leisure time. Sometimes I give my bicycle to my brother to play, but I always keep in mind to take care of it. Differences between my best birthday gift and other gifts I received. In this point, you can talk about the differences between your best birthday gift and other gifts. You can compare your best birthday gift with other gift you received on your birthday. My new bicycle is more colorful than other gifts. What I don't like about my other gifts are they are broken and small. My bicycle is nicer than my dolls. I usually play with my new bicycle as it is more interesting than other gifts. Sometimes I allow my little brother to play with it as he is smaller than me. And my younger brother thinks the bicycle is cuter than my other gifts. What am I going to do with my best birthday gift? In this last point, you can express the future plans about your best birthday gift. In here, you have to use going to when you are talking about future, like this. I am going to show my new bicycle to my cousins soon. I am going to arrange a new place to keep my bicycle. My parents are going to buy a new bell for it. My elder brother is going to use my bicycle when I have homework. I am going to donate my new gifts and other toys to poor children before my next birthday. Okay, my dear children, I think now you have a good idea about topic phase. Let's go to the question part. In JESE Level 4, you can ask 2 questions from the examiner once you finish the exam. Now I am going to help you to get an idea about the 2 questions. Let's go. For the first question, you can use the details in conversation phase. Here you can see the topics which comes under the conversation phase. Food, holidays, shopping, hobbies and sports, weekend and seasonal activities, school and work. As the second question, you can use the details of your own topic to ask a question from the examiner. Okay, my dear children, now it is time for revision. Now I am going to remind you about all the 6 topics which come under the conversation phase. First topic is food. Here are the questions and answers. You can change the given answers according to your likes and dislikes and your personal experiences. Let's go to the first question. What food do you like? I like burgers and pizza. Second question. What food do you dislike? I don't like sandwiches. Third question. How often do you eat in a restaurant? I eat in a restaurant once a week. Like that, you can give the answers for these questions. Okay, let's go to the fourth and fifth questions. Tell me about your favorite restaurant. What do you like to eat there? My favorite restaurant is Lemongrass and I like to eat fried rice there. What is the difference between the food in your house and the food in your favorite restaurant? The food in my favorite restaurant is more delicious and fancier than the food in my home. Now it is your chance. Pause the video and give your own answers for the following questions. First question is, what food do you like? Second, what food do you dislike? Third, how often do you eat in a restaurant? Fourth, tell me about your favorite restaurant. What do you like to eat there? Fifth, what is the difference between the food in your house and the food in your favorite restaurant? Okay, children. Our next topic is holidays. Okay, let's go to the questions and answers. First question is, tell me about your last holiday. Where were you? I was in Kandy. What did you do? I played carom. Second question, what was the weather like on your last holiday? The weather was cold. Third question, how often do you go on holidays? I go on holiday on every school vacation. Let's go to the fourth question. What do you always take with you on holidays? I always take my backpack, but I don't take my toys. Last question. Tell me about your next holiday. Where are you going to visit? I am going to visit Nuwara. What are you going to do? I am going to visit the flower garden. Now it is your chance. Pause the video and give your own answers for the following questions. Tell me about your last holiday. Where were you? What did you do? What was the weather like on your last holiday? How often do you go on holidays? What do you always take with you on holidays? Tell me about your next holiday. Where are you going to visit? What are you going to do? Our next topic is shopping. Let's go shopping. Here are some questions from the shopping topic. You can give your own answers for these questions. Let's see. First question. What shops are there near your house? There are bookshops and grocery shops near my house. How often do you go shopping? I go shopping every weekend. Tell me about the best shop in your town. The best shop in my town is toy shop. What do you usually buy? I usually buy toys and sweets. I sometimes buy books. What kind of shops do you like? I like fancy shops and toy shops, but I don't like grocery shops. Okay, now it is your chance. Pause the video and give your own answers for these questions. Let's go to the questions. What shops are there near your house? How often do you go shopping? Tell me about the best shop in your town. What do you usually buy? What kind of shops do you like? Now it is time to talk about hobbies and sports. Which sport do you like and dislike? I like swimming and netball, but I don't like badminton and football. Is it interesting to play a sport or watch it? It is interesting to watch a sport than to play a sport. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are reading books and cycling. What hobbies or sports did you do last week? I played netball last week. What hobbies are you going to do next week? I am going to go cycling next weekend. Okay, now it is your chance to give your own answers for these questions. Let's see. Which sport do you like and dislike? Is it interesting to play a sport or watch it? What are your hobbies? What hobbies or sports did you do last week? What hobbies are you going to do next week? Okay, children, now we are going to talk about the weekend and seasonal activities. Let's go. Here are some questions from that topic. Let's see what are the questions and answers. What do you do at weekends? I usually play with my friends. What is your favorite day of the weekend? My favorite day of the weekend is Sunday. What is the difference between a weekend with your parents and a weekend with your friends? The weekend with my friends is more enjoyable than weekend with my parents. Let's go to another two questions. How often do you go traveling at the weekend? I sometimes travel at the weekend. What are you going to do next weekend? I am going to visit my grandparents in Kandy. Now it is time to pause the video and give your own answers for these questions. Let's go to the questions. What do you do at weekends? What is your favorite day of the weekend? What is the difference between a weekend with your parents and a weekend with your friends. How often do you go traveling at the weekend? What are you going to do next weekend? Our last topic is school and work. Let's go to the questions and answers. Do you go to school? Yes, every day I go to school. What are your best and worst subjects at school? I am best at English and Buddhism, but I am worst at computer studies. How often do you do your homework? I do my homework every evening. What are you going to do after this exam? I am going to register for the grade 5 in Jessie. What are you going to study in future? I am going to study French in future. Now this is your chance. Give your own answers for these questions. Let's see what are the questions. Do you go to school? What are your best and worst subjects at school? How often do you do your homework? What are you going to do after this exam? What are you going to study in future? Pause the video and give your own answers. Okay, my dear children, this is the end of the lesson. Now it is your turn to speak. Pause the video and talk about your topic form. Say them out loud. Practice a little bit. Practice the details which you have learned under conversation phase. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Have an awesome day.